Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, U.S. Immigration News. We hope you're doing great. In this video, we're going to talk about 5 big immigration changes taking effect across the U.S. Please hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to push the notification bell for an upcoming video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. The United States entered a new immigration era in 2025 as the Trump administration rolled out sweeping policy changes that reshape how foreign nationals work, travel, and pursue citizenship. From stricter employment visas to expanded biometric surveillance and revamped naturalization standards, these measures signal a decisive shift toward tighter screening and heightened national security priorities. Together, they reflect an immigration framework that places greater emphasis on economic value, security vetting, and cultural assimilation. Below are 5 of the most consequential immigration changes now taking effect. H-1B Visa Overhaul reshapes tech industry hiring. One of the most impactful changes targets the H-1B visa program, a cornerstone of the U.S. technology sector. In September, the Trump administration unveiled a major overhaul aimed at changing how these highly sought-after visas are allocated. Traditionally awarded through a random lottery, H-1B visas allow U.S. employers to hire foreign professionals in specialized occupations such as software engineering, artificial intelligence, and data science. The new proposal, issued by the Department of Homeland Security, shifts the focus toward higher wages and advanced skill requirements. Under the revised framework, employers offering higher salaries will gain priority, while positions deemed lower-skilled may no longer qualify. The policy follows a presidential proclamation introducing a $100,000 application fee for H-1B petitions, a move designed to curb overuse of the program. According to DHS, the changes aim to protect American workers by discouraging companies from relying on lower-paid foreign labor. Officials argue that the previous system was vulnerable to manipulation, enabling employers to undercut domestic wages. The new rules are scheduled to take effect in February, marking a fundamental change in how global talent is recruited. Expanded facial recognition at U.S. borders. In a significant expansion of biometric surveillance, the Department of Homeland Security implemented a new rule on December 26, 2025, broadening facial recognition requirements for non-citizens entering and exiting the United States. The regulation authorizes U.S. Customs and Border Protection to collect facial biometrics at airports, land crossings, seaports, and other designated points of departure. Unlike earlier programs, the rule applies to all non-U.S. citizens, including lawful permanent residents and long-term visa holders. DHS officials say the expansion enhances identity verification and border security by ensuring accurate tracking of arrivals and departures. While U.S. citizens are not required to participate, they may opt in voluntarily. Privacy advocates, however, have raised concerns about data storage oversight and potential misuse as biometric monitoring becomes increasingly routine. Social media screening for foreign visitors moves forward. Foreign travelers seeking short-term entry to the United States may soon face a new layer of scrutiny: mandatory social media disclosure. In a December notice published in the Federal Register, U.S. Customs and Border Protection announced plans to require applicants under the Visa Waiver program to submit their social media histories from the past 5 years. The requirement will be added to the Electronic System for Travel Authorization, commonly known as ESTA. The move stems from a January 2025 executive order focused on preventing terrorism and public safety threats. Homeland Security officials describe ESTA as a risk assessment tool designed to evaluate whether a traveler poses security or law enforcement concerns before boarding a flight. Supporters argue that social media screening offers valuable context and early warning signs. Critics counter that the policy raises serious questions about privacy, free expression, and the subjective interpretation of online activity. Trump introduces $1 million gold card residency program. In December, President Trump announced the launch of the highly publicized Trump Gold Card, a premium immigration initiative offering a fast-track path to U.S. residency for wealthy applicants. Priced at $1 million, the card features a gold design showcasing the president's portrait, the Statue of Liberty, and the American flag. Trump promoted the initiative as a revenue-generating tool, projecting it could raise more than $100 billion to fund tax reductions, economic growth projects, and debt repayment. Applicants can apply through an official government website, where they must submit documentation and pay a non-refundable processing fee. The application triggers an accelerated review by U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services. Approved holders receive lawful permanent resident status under EB-1 or EB-2 visa categories, allowing them to live and work across all U.S. states and territories. The program underscores a broader shift toward wealth-based immigration pathways. U.S. Citizenship Test revamped with higher standards. The path to American citizenship has also become more demanding. A revised naturalization civics test went into effect in 2025, doubling the number of questions applicants must answer during the oral exam. Under the new format, candidates are asked 20 questions drawn from a list of 128 and must answer at least 12 correctly to pass. The test eliminates geography-based questions and requires applicants to identify all 3 branches of government rather than just one. USCIS officials say the updated test reinforces the importance of civic knowledge, English proficiency, and assimilation. The agency emphasizes that citizenship is a privilege reserved for those who fully understand and embrace American democratic principles. A new immigration landscape takes shape. Collectively, these changes reflect a more selective and security-driven U.S. immigration system. Whether through higher financial thresholds, deeper background checks, or stricter civic standards, the administration's approach signals a recalibration of who enters, works, and ultimately becomes part of the American fabric. As 2025 unfolds, immigrants, employers, and travelers alike are navigating a system that is more complex, more scrutinized, and more consequential than ever before. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. Hope you found this helpful. See you next time. Take care